Hello and welcome to the channel. Another mystery package. I did order a few things, but these don't have the customs labeling on them, so I don't know what's in them. So let's see what's in here. Okay, sweet. My stand for my filament for my 3D printer. So these have rollers, and you can adjust these to any size of the spool, whether you have a 1 kilogram or a 5 kilogram or whatever, and it'll allow it to roll as it's being fed into the 3D printer. Sweet. Alright, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing, and have a good one.